So these are my top 5 renovations that I would recommend that you guys use your home without breaking the bank. Number 1 being that garage door. Let's get rid of that clunky old garage door and put something really cute there. Number 2 is gonna be painting the front door. That's easy. Get a bold color that stands out, that your neighbors can't miss. Number 3, getting new hardware and lighting fixtures. You guys, gold is really in right now. And a new lighting fixture is just gonna be a focal point in your home. So get something that stands out. Number 4, getting a new vanity in your bathroom. That really does a world of difference, and you can get a vanity from Home Depot. You can even go to Target, Wayfair. It's really inexpensive to get a new vanity, and get some new mirrors while you're at it, and make sure you change the hardwares in there too. And last but not least are the kitchen appliances. You guys, get some new kitchen appliances, but don't just upgrade them. Make them matching. Maytag, GE, and stainless steel. Those 5 things are going to add a world of value to your home. I am Latrice, and this is The Lowdown.